May I please the lordship, I beg to mention one criminal appeal, my lord, from jail, my lord, to come up on Monday for admission. Monday or Friday, my lord, Friday,
Friday. Today is what, Tuesday.
Tuesday.
No problem.
My feelings.
May I please, your lordships? Lordships, I beg to mention item number 4 and 5 of the daily list, lordships. 4 and 5 are corrected matter, but in item number 5, a new amicus has to be appointed.
Why? Acha.
Yes.
So who do we appoint? You're appearing for whom?
Item number 4, but item number 5 is stacked with item number 4.
No, but you're
R. Sharma, your lordships.
no,
On behalf of R. Sharma.
you're appearing on behalf of.
Yes, sir.
But he's not a senior,
He's not.
is he? Huh? He can do. You, why don't you become on this in the next case? Item 5.
Subject to what, your lordship?
Okay, huh? You put that. Right. Uh, It has been brought to the notice, it has been brought to our notice that a new amicus needs to be appointed in relation to criminal appeal J 74 of 2019 as Mr. A. Kalu has been elevated to the bench. Accordingly, Miss
S. Sharma.
S. Sharma. Any relation to Rakesh Sharma? No.
Your lordship, he is my colleague.
Colleague, okay. No brother or something.
No, your lordship.
According to Miss S. Sharma is appointed as amicus. What about the paper book?
It's ready, your lordship.
Ready?
There.
Has he got a paper book, this Mr. Huh? Item 4. So item 4 will, the 5 will be the same. Registry to provide paper book to Ms. S. Sharma, that and amicus curious. List the matter for hearing. After
2019 matter.
2 weeks. Even
Declare. May I please, your lordship?
yes,
So I'm praying for listing of a criminal appeal along with an IA on, if possible, on 4th of September.
4th. It is day after tomorrow.
Yes. Lordship, already the paper book has been prepared and it was last listed on in the month of February.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of an I, Lordship. This I is filed for consideration of bail, Lordship. May it come
When do you want?
before the vacation, Lordship. Any date, Lordship. Huh? 9. Lordship, another prayer, Lordship. This is an criminal appeal, Lordship. It was last listed of 25/2024, Lordship. That may also.
When do you want? Same date. Same date.
2009 ঠিক আছে অভিলাষ লর্ডশিপ
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of one appeal, lordship, for orders, lordship. Any date, lordship, next week,
Give a date.
10th. Briefly, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship?
Second time you are coming.
Yes, lordship.
Second time today.
No,
no.
lordship. First time.
Must be a
Today, first time, lordship. Yes, lordship. I beg, lordship, I beg to mention for listing of the IA, lordship. IA number 1230/24 in criminal appeal 4/2024, lordship. What happened in this case, lordship? There's last listed on 8/1/2024, lordship. And the applicant has been convicted for 14 years and half of his sentence is here already completed, lordship. So, lordship, kindly, can it be on
We'll decide the.
Friday, lordship?
Huh?
Can it be on Friday, lordship?
Okay.
I'm grateful, lordship.
Lordship, the matter relating to the forms 26 years.
26 AS.
Lordship, I've given a note to Master Lordship. Lordship wanted to know what is the form 26 years, what it
And
contains.
the basis for making the form 26 AS.
Yes, Lordship, that is there, Lordship. It's basically income tax form, which Lordship contains some information relating to taxpayers deposit of tax and others.
No, will this will include service tax or not?
Lordship, service check, no. Lordship, the origin, no, so-called notice was issued after we got the information, then notice was issued. Lordship, the CSET says that you cannot decide on the solely on the basis of Form 26A.
What do you do? We issue notice. No? Notice has been issued,
No, Lordship.
but what is the substantial question of law involved?
Lordship, I've given the draft substance. Lordship, one may be one, Lordship, here we stated that the right in holding that the impugned demand is not sustainable against the appellant on the basis of detail provided by the Income Tax Department Form 26A. This is a core issue, Lordship. Although different CSAT has decided against the department, but since the all appeal is pending, Lordship, no High Court and Supreme Court has decided this issue till date.
No High Court has decided what?
Yeah, this regarding applicability of Form 26A. All the different CSAT has pass order holding that you cannot pass order on the entirely on the basis of Form 26A. That is observed by the another CSAT in this case also.
So you are demanding service tax on the basis of 26 AS, correct?
Not only on the basis of 26. Let's say there is a discussion in order in original.
No, but that is what the
Yes,
decision is.
yes, Lordship. We got the information from Income
The
Tax
decision
Department.
is basically to the effect that service tax cannot be charged on the basis of the details provided in the Form 26 AS,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, correct. Lordship, I prayed that Lordship examine the issue.
No, but how do you say that it is, it cannot be? How do you say, what is the basis for you saying
Lordship,
that?
Lordship, may please to see the order in original. Lordship. All discussion are there. Lordship, may come-
Or, you see, the discussion is there. Only thing is you have got to make us understand the discussion.
Lordship, yes. Lordship may come to page 44. Paragraph 28, Lordship.
Yes,
Discussion and findings. I have carefully gone through the instant demand come so-called notice and its relied upon documents and written reply SCCs dated 2021 received in the office on 26 to 21. Paragraph 29. The demand sum so-called notice was issued on the basis of the gross amounts credited and reflected in Form 26AS under 194C of the Income Tax Act under the head of the payment of contractor or subcontractor and gross amount credited and reflected under Section 194 1B of the IT Act 1961 for the period from 14 to 15, 17 to 18. Paragraph 30. The issue before me is to decide whether the SEC is liable to pay service tax, including cess, to the tune of rupees so and so, is to be evaded by them during the period so and so. Not whether there are any suppression or willful misstatement involving this case. I have gone through the written submission of SEC dated 20th of February 21.
you see, these are questions. These are just facts. These are only facts. The issue shows the law which says that Form 26 AS can be used for the purpose of
Lordship,
for the purpose of collecting service tax.
Lordship,
Where is that?
this is the issue we have urging before you, Lordship.
So show us what what you are going to rely upon, not what you decide, what the authorities have to decide. Where is that?
No,
As per the law, as per the Income Tax Act, as
No.
per the notification passed by the central government. Where is that?
Lordship, here,
Where is you see the notification of 2012? Where is, you show us all that. You just
No.
cannot just read something and say that this is the substantial question of law. Show us how it is a substantial question of law on the basis of the provisions of the law and as per the relevant notifications that you are going to rely upon.
no, Lordship, this is the, Lordship, here, we issue demand notice on the basis of Form 26 says. Thereafter, sufficient opportunity was given to them. They filed their reply. We asked them to substantiate their claim raised in the demand notice.
Form 26. Don't show us this.
Lord-
Show us Form 26.
Lord-
This is only what Form 26 comprises.
Yeah,
Show us
Lordship-
your Form 26. That's what we asked for.
No, Lordship, this is the information.
Mr. Counsel,
Lordship,
this is not the Form 26.
Lord-
This is what is required of a Form 26. Please show us Form 26. That is what this order has been.
Lordship, the
This
information.
even we can get it from Uncle Google. I can ask him what is Form 26 is. Please show us your Form 26 is.
Income tax act, Lordship, 14, Form 26 is not, Form 26 is not included in the service, in the income tax act.
And it is available in the website. This is what the.
Lordship,
order also
it
says.
is-
Why have you not uploaded?
Lordship,
taken it out from-
I have searched
We
that, Lordship.
ask you to produce the Form 26 AS on the next date and also inform this court the basis on which Form 26 AS is made.
Lordship, this is that the note I've given, this contains all the information, what is Form 26 says and what it contains.
Now, so you tell me one thing. According to you, service tax can be charged on the basis of the entries made in Form 26 AS, correct?
No, Lordship, we are not saying that. We say
What are you
that,
saying?
that we collect the information from 26 says, we given notice to the SEC. To sub-
Well, you please read this. What you have, it says here Form 26 AS. Now this is, and it says a definition of Form 26 AS.
Yes, Lord.
Now we want to know, show us a form, the 26 AS where the entries are. The entries are supposed to be there with regard to what has been supplied, what has not been supplied, what is the service tax to be charged upon.
No,
It is service tax on a service, correct?
Yes, Lord.
Service tax is on a service.
Yes.
Now, what is that service for which period? That has to be,
Lord,
there has to be a column where those entries have to be made.
In Lordship, in Form 26, this information not available. This is the form of
Okay, show me a form. Now, tell me something.
Lordship.
When you want some Form 26 to be supplied by a businessman, Form 26 will have to have some column blank. It has to be filled up.
No,
To
Lordship,
be filled up.
Lordship, once that service tax is deducted and deposited by third party, then it contains all the information in the Form 26 says.
Correct. You see, you don't even read what you do. Please come to the second paragraph of this.
The taxpayer can easily view and download.
Download Form 26 AS.
It is
Download. Where is this the downloaded Form 26?
no Form. It is not. It is the information with regard to.
I do not know. You see, it's a very simple. We have asked you, please give us Form 26 AS. That's all.
Lordship, I-
And the document that you have given us says out here, taxpayers can easily view and download Form 26 AS. That means this is not 26 AS.
Lordship,
There is a form.
Lordship, allow me, Lordship.
Want this court to now download this
No,
document?
Lordship,
Then
we
why
will-
are you just not giving us what?
No, Lordship, I contacted
Why you
the
wasting
income
this
tax
crucial
department.
time?
They said it is
You
a.
don't even know what you're arguing about.
Lordship-
Just for the sake of saying something, you're saying something. Right. Mr. Ezekiel, learned counsel for the appellant, has not submitted the Form 26 that had been asked, 26 AS that had been asked for by this court. He submits that there is no Form 26 AS which can be downloaded.
No, Lordship, this is not my submission. Lord.
Then it is there or not? Can it be downloaded?
It can be downloaded.
Yeah, please
Lordship.
download for us.
Lordship,
List the matter after 3 weeks to enable the Mr. Kayal to submit a copy of the downloaded Form 26A.
Pass over the matter for timing.
There is an office note, Lordship, on 6/8, Lordship.
Yes, that it has to be heard here.
Yes.
So,
So, Lordship, matter will be continued here, Lordship.
but you're not a PP.
No, Lordship, I'm additional AG, Lordship.
You're not PP.
No, there is no PP, Lordship.
There's no PP. That's the problem. You can go back and they're not tested. They have to be informed.
Password for timing, please.
If, you see, nothing will happen. Because even if he comes later, unless there is a PP on the other side, there's no one to make submissions on behalf of the state. So the best thing is we adjourn the matter.
Okay.
Na? Right. Right. Adjourn, as there is no PP. This is the matter after 3 weeks. After the vacation.
Yes.
After the vacation. First off. On the next date of listing, the registry shall ensure that the PP Mizoram, state of Mizoram, is made aware of the listing of this case to enable the PP to appear before this court personally or virtually.
I will also
Give a date.
oblige, Lordship.
Obliged.
Yes.
There are three sets of appeal, my lord, arising out of the same judgment.
Correct. They have three sets here.
My lord, I am appearing for the first one, my lord.
They are appealing in 413.
Yes. 413 of 2023. In another, Mr. J. Kamar is appearing, my lord, senior counsel, and in another, my lord, Mr. Bora is appearing.
Bora, he's here.
Let them complete first, Malak, then I'll start, Malak. After Jet Kamal also, Malak. Because I'll need only 5 to 10 minutes, Malak, not much.
This 302.
My lord, they were convicted under section 323, 354, 385 for some extortion. My lord, I'll come to that, and then 302. Now, my lord, so far the, my lord, 323. My lord, some evidence is definitely there, my lord. My lord, if your lordship relies on the evidence of PW1 and PW2, my lord, sub-assaultant has been done. But so far, my lord, 385 and 302, my lord. So far, 302 is concerned, my lord, the learned trial court, my lord, basically relied on, there is no direct evidence on that. On circumstantial evidence, my lord, that last seen together,
So,
And we-
no, so one thing is that you have been convicted under all 4 sections.
all, my lord, everybody. my lord.
Everybody.
Everybody. my lord. That's what, my lord, Mr. Bora is saying, my lord, that his client was not there. His client was not present there, my lord. They try to connect him with some phone call and all that. His presence was not there. His involvement is directly not there.
So his connection is with regard
But
in
his
relation
connection,
to
they say that, my lord, after this assault and everything was over. Normally, this lady, PW1, he was a minor at that time. She went to, my lord, by the side of the Brahmaputra to meet his fiance, who is also minor. They say that their marriage is settled, but since they are minor, their marriage will be held later on. So they were waiting for that. And on that day, she went to meet her fiance in the my lord, on the side of the Brahmaputra river in Bandali village in Barpeta district, my lord. Now, my lord, when they reach there, my lord, these three persons, so far my clients are there concerned, they reach there with their motorcycles and all that. My lord, my lord, it has been come out in the, my lord, evidence that they were doing some indecent works and all that.
Who are doing
This,
indecent?
my lord, PW1 and the deceased.
And the deceased.
Deceased.
The boyfriend.
Yes, ma'am. Deceased. That is the allegation, my lord. Then, my lord, they said that why you are doing all these things and all that. Then they gave some slaps and all that to the boy, the deceased. My lord, three of the, my lord, appearance, my lord. And ultimately, my lord, they called the brother of the, my lord, PW1, the lady, and, my lord, she was handed over to his brother and he has taken it away. And the other person, the deceased, was kept there. And now the story has been developed that they were asking him, some people asked that why you have kept him. They said that no, the bichar will be held. We have called their guardians and all that, why they were doing all these things. So bichar will be held. Girl was given away. So this boy will be here, and there after the bichar, everything.
What is your relation to them? What is your relation to the deceased and to the PW1?
No relation.
Then what were you doing there?
No.
Why you are some extra constitutional vigilante or something?
They said the PW1 says that all three they used to love the girl.
PW1 said that they used to love PW1.
PW1. And they wanted that her to be the girlfriend. That is the in evidence, my lord.
Girlfriend of all three of them. Huh?
That's the evidence.
I can understand being girlfriend of one.
Yes.
Three of them.
True, my lord.
So your clients
Yes.
want to be the girlfriend of PW1, the boyfriend of PW1. Correct.
PW.
So you,
Well, that is the, my lord, allegation, my lord. We have not said anything that we are girlfriend.
you have not said anything, but what we're trying to find out is why were you involved in the first place? You have got
Our involvement is, my lord, that they were doing some indecent work, my lord. Then we found them there.
What indecent work?
Well, they are kissing and other things, my lord. That's it. My lord, in the villages it happens, my lord.
Self-side
In the city, nobody bothers, my lord. In the city or in an urban area, nobody bothers, but in the village, my lord, your lordship will find.
This happened where? In the Brahmaputra?
No, the Barpeta district, my lord. Barpeta district, by the side of Brahmaputra, there is a Bandali village. They said it is Bandal village.
So that is for your client.
Yes, my lord.
Darok Ali and two others.
Two others. Darog Ali.
And what about so Mr. M. Bora's
Emperor's client was not present.
Not present.
Not
That
present.
is
Nobody
his case.
said that he was present. My lord, the story, my lord, didn't stop there. Now, my lord, after that, they say that this entry of the three other persons of Mr. J. Kamar's client.
J. Kamar is only two.
Two, my lord. Now two, my lord. One was made witness, though he was one of the accused.
He was a prosecution witness.
He becomes a prosecution witness now. Amir Ali.
What is their connection to the case?
My lord.
What is their
Now,
connection?
they went to the place. Having come to know this, my lord, other village people also assembled.
They came to the, then what did they do?
They, my lord, they said they stopped this. They say that they have stopped these people.
Stopped your client.
My client, not to beat them on all that. And then they said the girl was sent.
That is the case of the defense.
No, defense, no, my lord. Your lordship will find the prosecution case is that, my lord.
Then why are they convicted?
No, that's what, my lord, I am saying, my lord. The conviction, my lord, so far 302 is concerned. And 385 is concerned, my lord. I say, my lord, the conviction is, my lord, not correct. So far 323, my lord, some evidence may be there.
So all of them have been convicted under the
all these, my lord. 120B was there, my lord. 100, they have put in 120B, my lord. But, my lord, your lordship will find that the question of 120B in the entire case does not come into play.
What's how the deceased was assaulted or thrown to the
Deceased was assaulted by, my lord, punches. 2-3 punches.
No weapons.
No weapon, nothing is there. Girl was slapped by one of them.
Slapped.
Slapped by one of them. That is the story, my lord. If your lordship can read, if your lordship reads the PW1.
Why should this person slap a girl? Who slapped this girl? Your client.
My lord.
Your client.
Yes, my lord.
Your client slapped the girl.
No.
Who slapped the girl?
No, somebody else except the girl. These two persons, out of that two persons, one is it. Bassa Fakir or somebody, my lord. I'll come to that.
They've got no right to slap a girl.
No, they said that to make her discipline, my lord. That is what is come in the evidence. But true, my lord, anyway. So to that extent, my lord, probably, my lord, the matter may be, yeah, my lord. But so far, my lord, nobody has seen who killed. The entire story is that the boy jumped in the river. Having faced with the situation, the boy jumped in the river. Now this Lal Mahmood, the client of Mr. Bora, he gave a call to the police. This has happened now. The boy has just jumped in the river Brahmaputra. So kindly come with the SDRF and other forces and rescue him. And
Then-
on the basis of that, my lord, the GD entry was made and the
So he
investigation.
drowned.
Huh?
The boy drowned. Did the boy
Boy
drown?
found, his body was found after 2 days, my lord, and in the decomposed condition.
And okay, so medical report.
Medical report is there. Medical report is there, my lord. There is just some injury on the, my lord, head and all that. And with medical report supports that, my lord, after drowning, well, at the time of jumping or whatever it may be, he received the injury.
How?
My lord, it says that, my lord, if he was killed, if he was killed earlier, my lord, the story of the prosecution is that he was killed and thereafter he was thrown. He said, doctor said that if he is killed earlier and then body was thrown, the coma and other things will not be there. So he must have hit. That's what he's given an explanation in the cross-examination.
No, doctor's report is only advisory in nature anyway. Whether we accept it or not, that's a different issue.
That your lordship will take into consideration, my lord. Photocopy to দিয়ে দিও নাকি? May
Very lengthy judgment.
my judgment is very lengthy, my lord. But what I can give a note, my lord, I have prepared.
Ah.
My lord, from there, probably, my lord, it will be little easier for my lord. Detail I have not given.
How many witnesses are there?
32 witnesses are there.
Got.
And my lord, out of that, my lord, I think, my lord, around 10 witnesses may be of relevant, other are not relevant.
How many
Subject to what your, my lords.
eyewitnesses? Eyewitnesses?
Eyewitnesses, my lord, so far, my lord, assault is there, my lord, there are some. Two. One is the, my lord, PW1 and another is PW2, my lord. But, my lord, from the material on record, my lord, we find, my lord, that there is a doubt, my lord, whether she was there or not. Even assuming, my lord, she was there, then, my lord, so far assault is concerned.
He has to be there. If she is not there, then
No, PW, not, I'm not saying about PW1, PW2, sister who accompanied her. She said that she was accompanied
but
by,
one witness is enough.
so far 323 is concerned.
We're not going to go by the number
No,
of witnesses.
I'm not saying, my lord. Your lordship need not also, my lord. If your lordship find that one is reliable and can be acted upon, my lord, definitely on basis of one witness, your lordship can. My lord, so far C02
Yes.
and C85. And my lord, so far we are concerned, my lord, we have already suffered the sentence from 2022 till now. So, my lord, the 385, 323 and 354, my lord, the conviction, whatever sentence has been given, we have already suffered. We are left with the, my lord, 302 basically.
So we will let us go to PW1 then.
Yes.
Is there any paper book?
Yes, my paper book is there. यहाँ पर given है
Oh, बाप रे. Where is the paper book?
not actually not
Huh? Give me PW1. That one. Ah.
TW1 at page minute 11. May I read now? May I read, Minute PW? I do not know the informant. I knew the deceased Rubul Haq Chaudhry, who was my lover. I know all the accused persons. The occurrence took place on 16/4/2022 at around 12 in daytime. The place of occurrence is the bank of river Brahmaputra at Bondali. My marriage with deceased was fixed by our families and we were waiting for attaining the age of majority. One day of the occurrence, deceased Rubul has called me to meet her near the river bank at Bandali. There was a Bihita, a raised land of an abandoned house at the bank river. I accompanied by my sister Bimala Khatun, she is PW2 Miller, and friend Tasmina alias Josna, she is PW15. Tasmina and Bimala were at a distance and seeing the accused Injamal there, Tasmina returned. So Tasmina came back, my lord. Bimala was standing at a distance from the Bihita. Rubul was already in the Bihita and I went there and I was conversing with him. At that time, accused Injamal, Daroga Ali and Saiful started assaulting Rubul for no reason. They have punched the deceased. They had fractured the hand of Rubul. They had also punched me in the face and pulled me by my hair. They had also pressed my neck. Injamul, Daroga Ali, Saiful used to love me and they had proposed me to become their girlfriend, but I refused it. They had also threatened that they would not allow me to get married with others. They did not bear the fact that I was in love relation with deceased Rubul. When accused Injamal, Daroga Ali and Saiful had been beating me and deceased Rubul caused accused Faridul now. When accused Injamal, Daroga and Saiful had been beating me and the deceased Rubul accused Faridul, these three, Batsa and Amirul. Amirul, now he has been made as PW4, my lord. He's a prosecution witness. Came there and accused Faridul had slapped me. Meanwhile, many other villagers had assembled there. When the villagers had slipped away, all the 6 accused persons had started demanding rupees 3 lakh from Rubul, as they had claimed that I was indulging in indecent act with deceased Rubul. Rubul replied that how could he pay rupees 3 lakhs to them at that time. Then the accused person snatched away the key of Rubul's motorcycle, so-and-so and mobile phone of him. At that time, accused Basa called Lal Mahmud. Lal Mahmud's entry comes here. At that time, accused Basa called Lal Mahmud over phone and asked him for his opinion as to what they would do with us, as they claimed that we had been caught red-handed while indulging in indecent sexual acts. Lal Mahmud had advised Basa to ask for rupees 3 lakhs from Rubul. Rubul refused to pay the amount. Lal Mahmud then directed the accused persons to kill Rubul if he did not pay the amount. In the meantime, my cousin, uncle's son, Jainal came there on getting a phone call from accused Saiful. One of the my client, Saiful called the Jainul. Jainul asked the accused person not to kill Rubul. The accused person then let me go with my cousin Jainal. Jainal also asked the accused persons to hand over Rubul to him. But the accused persons did not allow Rubul to go with Jainal. Accused Basa
Yes. Yeah. Page 30. Six line. PW2 or 15. Later we heard. Page 19. Before progress. Last part of that. Yes, Miss Begum. Where is the evidence showing that the deceased had been thrown into the river? Or that he has been killed and thrown?
SI. If we have, PW 31, 31, the SI, investigating officer, Lordship. 137 page number.
Rajiv Neog.
Dorakali confessed that he had killed Rubul. Rajiv Nug SI.
Page 31.
Lordship, it starts from 31. I did not, I kept
Page
a note
31?
from, what's that? 1 minute, no, 31,
You
131.
see, the thing is that, is it, he's IO, no? IO's evidence is basically what he has heard.
Not-
He's not an eyewitness.
No, he is not the eyewitness.
Then, and page 31 is informant.
31 is the informant.
Then,
The eyewitness is PW1.
then what does he say?
PW1, Lordship.
Come to page 13. Come to the sixth line from the bottom of the page.
Lordship. Lal
No,
Lal
no,
Mahmud.
13, one
Page
three.
30.
One three, one
One
three.
three,
Oh,
one three, last for 32.
Talot.
I then had from the.
I didn't hear from the local people that accused people had jumped into the. I told the police and magistrate that Rubul did not jump into the river, but the accused person had killed him and fell in the river.
But just before that, you have not read that.
I had heard from local people
Ah,
that the accused had jumped into the river. She have heard from, but the fact, Lordship, though she have heard that it is that I told the police. Then also,
She's seen.
did she see? Did she see? Where is that positive identification that she saw?
Lordship.
And if you carry on reading the next line, that same page 13,
Lordship.
second last line. I although did not tell anyone, but I was apprehending that the accused persons had come there to kill Rubul.
Lordship. Rubul was not found. I already did
Come
not
to the
tell-
cross-examination, para 9.
Yeah, nine, yeah.
Police examined me on an aeroplane before.
I stated.
that I doubt that the accused person might have killed.
Then come to para 10.
I do not know exactly how.
Rubul had died. So where is the proof? Probably you see, it could have been that he was killed and then he was thrown. It could have been that to escape, he jumped into the river also. Now, what is to be believed?
Exact position.
Eh? What is to be believed?
I'm going to. Because there's 32 witnesses, Lordship. I'll have to find it to see, Lordship.
That's why we're asking you. That's why we have not asked him any further. We want you to show us whether how he died.
In PW5, Lordship, the informant.
Yes.
Point number 4. I have
Yes.
come to know from Romena and the people assembled at the PO that when Romena and Rubul had been talking over there, the accused persons has assaulted both of
No,
them.
no, that is all right. We are completely in agreement with you that he has been assaulted.
Sent back, Romena was sent back and he
That is
was
all right.
confined.
That is all right. Assaulted, we have convinced. He has been assaulted by these persons. The issue is who has killed him. Hmm? Hmm.
Sir, the accused person had demanded rupees 3 lakh since the deceased could not pay after demand money.
No, no, that is all right. We agree to all. We agree that he has been demanded, he has been, extortion has been done, whatever. But who has killed? Only that. Nothing else.
On recovery of the dead body, in the next page 32, Lordship.
Yes.
Not by jumping, Lordship.
Correct. But then was he pushed?
Dead
Was he
body.
pushed into the river? Did he jump by himself? Was actually a dead body thrown into the river? What is the proof?
Lordship, I'll see the 3-1. P1, P2 power. P1, P2 power. P1, P2 at the night.
They might want to give it, but where will this? Where will it?
Thanks, bro. 186.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, I am going to the 313, Lordship, as they were last seen together.
Can
What-
313 be the basis?
It is not the basis, Lordship. Still, they will have to explain, Lordship, as they were last seen together.
No, they're in the, it's not within the four walls of a confined space. This is
As the,
open in the,
there, she was there,
Putra, you've got the horizon as your walls and the sky as your roof. What more open space do you want? Ah, correct. You see, madam, like, supposing we accept that they had an intention to kill.
Lordship.
And they came with all AK-47 and tanks and bazookas and all to kill. But where is that fact, that factum of them having killed this deceased person? Everything is there, supposing. Agreed. Everything is there. But where is the factum of them having killed? That is the issue.
Lordship,
Like, you see, when you go to your kitchen late at night, somewhere 1 o'clock by mistake, you see cockroach.
Lordship,
I have got all the intention to kill that cockroach.
Lordship.
But where is the proof? Unless I squash it with my slippers and then it, like that. The intention might be there out here also to kill. But where is the fact of the killing that person?
Lordship,
Where's the evidence?
Lordship, actually, we both were going to that. So, Lordship, better, Lordship, I'll take a time. Lordship.
I'm to it.
No, not today, Lordship, not today, because I
Madam, there's
have
nothing.
4 files, Lordship. I'll have to see, Lordship.
None of the witnesses said.
Lordship, still,
None
Lordship.
of the witnesses. Only two factors the trial court took into consideration, they last seen together. I do not know how this in this public place, it last seen together will.
Last seen together does not come into play.
And the second is, they say that, we were taken into custody. Then
What time did the incident occur? Late at night?
daytime, around 12. From 12 to 2:30 and all that, everything was over. And 100 people assembled there. That is the evidence in the prosecution side.
Correct. No, not.
Question of that, everybody was there.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Everybody was.
It's okay, Mr. Counsel. It's okay. Let them explain.
Lordship, I'll have to, because I thought that one more hearing was there, Lordship.
Look, we
thought that I'll go through.
are
that.
also not very keen to dispose of, especially when we saw how thick it was.
Did to
But we have
witness
still
when
tried to do it.
I have gone through that.
Hmm.
Hearing.
Which one?
One more is there, Lordship. So,
Today?
I don't know how.
Here, in this court.
Today, Lordship, another here. So we have divided the case, Lordship.
Then this one is this one goes to whom?
Because,
have not taken a responsibility. And here are
Because-
32 witnesses. Lordship, there is a leading to discovery also. Lordship, and there are 32 witnesses. They have like.
The discovery of what? Discovery of what?
Recovery of a stick.
Huh?
Recovery of bamboo stick.
Of what?
Bamboo stick.
Bamboo stick.
And one brick, my lord, brick.
Brick. Okay.
And your lordship will find the evidence of PW 1 and 2, neither any stick injury nor any injury by brick, my lord.
medical will have to.
And
take
it-
My lord, lordship will kindly take into consideration, my lord.
It was a homicidal, Lordship, homicidal.
Who is cited? My lord, is
32 witnesses.
section 27 has to be complied with.
We're not going to go by the number of witnesses.
Yeah.
We're just going to go by the quality. That's what I told the counsel for the appellant in the first instance. One witness is enough to convict. But at the same time, the same adage applies to you also.
But this is not a case of direct evidence, but it's circumstantial.
Maybe, madam, but then that
Link is complete or not.
Chain is complete or not?
doesn't appear to be.
Motive is there, Lordship. Motive was there.
I don't know.
Motive was
motive is
there,
there,
Lordship.
Motive
It's
was
a
there
case of
because-
criminal conspiracy.
Motive may be there, but the act.
Last scene also is there, Lordship. Last scene is also there. Last scene together is also
Oh,
there.
last scene, my lord, I have said already.
From circumstances, 2 points are there. Last scene is there. Motive is there.
Look,
Arrest
look,
leading to discovery is there.
you ready or not?
Lordship, today I am not ready. Lordship, I am
Let it taken up tomorrow, my lord. Your lordship has had the matter tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Goodbye.
Whenever you feel comfortable, you do it.
That-
You feel comfortable, you do it. I have nothing to
Day after tomorrow.
object to it.
Day after tomorrow.
Right. Miss A. Begum, the additional PP submits.
Lordship, my learned friend will do, Lordship. She will.
She will go.
Madam, you either one of you do or we will
We will do, Lordship. Lordship, day after tomorrow, it will be done. By me or by her, any one of us, we will complete it. We will complete it.
we are okay with either one.
Lordship,
Sure.
Lordship, Lordship.
If we want, we'll put both our names also.
Lordship, put the.
Miss A. Begum, learned additional PP, submits that he needs time to go through the paper book.
Lordship,
List the matter on Thursday.
Thursday.
The additional PP will inform this, will show this court. We'll have to see, we'll have to make submissions with regard to whether there were any eyewitness to the killing of the deceased.
Okay, it will suffice.
That's all. In as much as there is no evidence. No, don't say that.
Oh.
Item 10 is what? What is this?
May please the lordship.
For who? I said this one.
May please the lordship, the arguing counsel, Dr. Shrav, is on legs, lordship. Is arguing another matter.
What's that? Oh.
Lordship, the arguing counsel is on legs. He's arguing matter.
What is the issue about?
It's an appeal, my lord. They have challenged the order passed by the tribunal, my lord. The core issue is, my lord, the unaccounted receipt, my lord, additional receipt, my lord. Whether the entire amount will form subject to taxation or not. That is the core issue.
Okay, right. On the request for adjournment made on behalf of the appellant's counsel. This is the matter. When?
As per Lord's conduct. Lord's convenience.
After 2 weeks.
Lordship. Oblige.
Oblige, Lordship. Lordship, interim may be continued, Lordship.
Interim order to till the next. Yes.
Amicus was appointed, his name is not shown, madam.
How does it matter?